Dear respected elders, brothers and sisters in Islam, welcome to YouTube channel Forgive Me Allah. This video is titled How to Make Zikr in 2026. So as you can see before you, the prayer beads are ready and we are going to use the tasbih to make the zikr of one of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So before we begin making zikr, we make sure that the room that we are sitting in is clean. We are in an area that is quiet, and preferably we have wudu. Zikr is an act of ibadah, and we should take it as such and we should understand it as such. So this is a time where we are reflecting upon the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we are trying to gain a closeness to Him, and we are trying to find some peace and comfort through the zikr that we are about to partake in. So we begin with Bismillah. We are going to say the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we are going to use, and then we're going to say the English translation of it. So we pick up the tasbih, Bismillah, take your time, and we begin by saying Al-Hayy, Al-Hayy, Al-Hayy. And what does Al-Hayy mean? Al-Hayy means the ever-living. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the ever-living. So the meaning of the zikr is important, so we realize the magnitude and the magnificence of what is being said and the power that is within this zikr. So as we are saying this zikr, we find that we are gaining a closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by understanding His attributes and His greatness. It is important that we do this zikr at the right time. So I would either recommend you do it after Fajr or after Salat al-Asr, and take some time out for the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This will bring blessings into our life, and this will take away difficulties and hardships. So the tasbih is a means of relaxation and for you to find some peace and comfort in your life. So you continue Al-Hayy, 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 Al-Hayy. And as you are saying it, you know the meaning is the ever-living, the ever-living, the ever-living, Allah the ever-living. The purpose of zikr is for us to understand about the deen and why we are doing what we do, why we pray the way we do, how we understand the deen and how we feel. This is a great zikr and a reminder for us all, and we all should partake in the zikr as much as possible. For those that are not watching this video, please pass this message on to them and share this wisdom and knowledge that within the zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lies true success. May Allah make it easy for us and accept us for this.